To enable clients to respond quickly to situations that need attention, you must configure a VMS to detect problems and then send emails and text messages to the proper resources. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create an alarm that tells us a camera has lost connection. We'll start by expanding the Alarms node and right-clicking Alarm Definitions. Now click Add New. We'll click the Name input field and enter a name. Next, click the Triggering Event drop-down list and choose System Events from the list. Click the drop-down list below System Events. We'll choose Not Responding from the list. Click the Sources, Select button. Let's expand the Luna 9 node. After expanding the HQ node, we click WH Reception 1. Click Add. And click OK. Next, we'll click the Initial Alarm Owner drop-down list. When a camera goes down, we want to alert our tech admin, so we'll choose Steven from the list. We start by clicking the Select button for events triggered by alarm. Click the Servers tab and expand the Luna 9 node. Then we'll expand the User-Defined Events node. In this example, we previously created an event for this use. Now we'll click Send Email Without Image. Click Add. And click OK. When we navigate away from the window, a save message appears. We'll click Yes to save our changes. You just saw how to create an alarm that tells us a camera has lost connection. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.